Some bitch, I know.
It's not gonna hurt.
It's not gonna hurt. I'm just interested to see how much comes out with it.
Mine are long though.
Well, they don't need to be. Just talking about somebody else's on TV the other night. You ready? Ready?
No. Oh goddamn! You ain't doing no more. Son of a bitch, that hurt. It
looks so good.
It does look good, baby. Look how much got out.
You can't do one eye and not do
do
the
the
other.
other.
That will look retarded.
That looks really good.
Blue poppers.
Okay, one more.
You're a changed man.
Yeah. You might even be borderline sexy now.
Borderline, not quite there, but
I'm gonna start talking about looking at your titties again. Embarrassing.
Looks, Savannah.
what?
I'm probably bleeding. Is it bleeding?
It's bleeding.
It's bleeding, ain't it?
Because they're so thick.
Well, then don't do the other one.
No, it's not bleeding. You're not going to bleed to death.
Son of a bitch is bleeding. It hurt. I don't like it. Do yours.
I didn't go do my next, but I got to finish yours.
I don't
now.
want no more.
You got to do this other eye.
Damn it.
Look up.
I hate y'all motherfuckers. It hurts.
Hey, just think if we did your back.
Oh my god.
Can you imagine? That'd be hell.
I don't like this shit.
Well, you wanted to have your whole back done.
Yeah, but I was gonna get it laser done.
You can get your back waxed.
Get that shit on my back. Yeah, I do my chest that way. You gonna pull my fucking eye off.
You need to watch your mouth.
You're being videoed.
For real.
Well then don't video when I say motherfucker.
Calm down. It doesn't hurt that bad.
It does too.
It does not. I just did mine.
I feel like my eyes twitching from that other one.
It's
No,
probably...
you ain't doing that one again. No, you're not.
I wasn't going
You was aiming at this one. You're a damn
I'm
lie.
going to the middle here.
No, we're not doing that one. No.
Honey, I gotta get
No,
it.
you're not.
The
You're
one
not.
here on this side. This one.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta get it on the end. Right
Okay.
here on this
No,
one.
you said this one.
I'm on
That is that one.
You're
Your
not.
right eye.
All right.
Right
All right.
eyebrow.
Well, then stay away from this side.
Oh, what?
It's hurting. Put the sumbitch on there and snatch it and get it over with. You'll not do this again.
Do it so he'll stop
I hate it.
complaining.
Hey,
I thought you might want to look a little
I don't give a
more
rat's
attractive.
ass. I'd rather look like the caveman than do this.
Ready, Pop Pop? I think which way I snatched from.
Tell me when you're going to do it so I don't hurt myself.
Now. Yeah, that looks nice.
Get out of here.